This video might help you crack UGC NET JRF for English literature. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to yet another video of English entrance prep. After a long time's gap, we are back again with only 5 books that you need to write UGC NET JRF for English literature, and that will help you to crack it in the first go. So what are these 5 books? I know a lot of videos, a lot of websites give you the complete list of whatever books you need, whatever notes you need to go through, the entire syllabus. But if right now the UGC NET JRF notification came, and as you all know, we have only 2 months to prepare for this extremely competitive exam, so you need to have a very comprehensive idea. So I'm not going to flood your thought with a lot of books so you get confused what to buy, where to get them from. You will only need these 5 books. So the number one book will be always Critical History of English Literature by David Dages. Now this book comes in 2 volumes, volume 1 and volume 2. A very good understanding of the history of English literature, as the title suggests. So make sure you get this book to understand the history of English literature, the from Milton, Shakespeare, a lot of the historical aspects, a lot of schools of thought present in English literature history. Make sure you get this book. Second, this is the best book that I have read in cultural theory or contemporary literary theory. This is Contemporary Literary and Cultural Theory from Structuralism to Eco-Criticism by Pramod K. Nair. Now, Pramod K. Nair is a professor in Hyderabad University. Trust me, guys, you only need this book. No need to get a Peter Barry book or any other literature theory book, because this book gives you a comprehensive idea of every single school of thought in English literature. As the title suggests, it even goes to eco criticism. The only problem is it does not contain or share with you the classical theory, the Plato, the Aristotle, all those schools of thought is not mentioned here. It starts from structuralism. But if you want to write a competitive exam like UGC NET JRF, this book will help you in a lot of ways. It's very easy to understand, very good language. All the important points are mentioned. So make sure you get this book for literary theory. Next, Glossary of Literary Terms by Amish Abrahams. Most of you might have this book already, because this is like a standard book, asked for English literature book in English literature students to get this book right from a UG times. So a lot of you might have this book, but you need to know how to use this book. Now, for a lot of students, this might come across as a dictionary of sorts, like literary terms, but each term will be asked in an application method. So you need to know what each term means and how to apply it in a literary sense. For this, get this book, read this with a literary text in your hand, say Macbeth or Hamlet or even contemporary literature. That's how you go about with this book. The next is a very famous book. Now this is by Sahitya Academy, so I can vouch for the quality of this book. It's The History of Indian English Literature by M.K. Naik. Uh, Yet again, one drawback of this book is that it only talks about the Indian English history of literature. It does not talk about the contemporary times. So you cannot expect a book to talk about the contemporary times as of now. So the best way to study that would be internet, of course, and your reading skills. So that's why I'm suggesting you this book. Just read through it. It's very simple, very easy to understand matter. You can read it like any other novel or fiction that you read. So it's very easy and you get a lot of information. The last is a guide. So I know a lot of people must be frowning at me right now for suggesting a guide to you, especially by Arihant. Now, Arihant is very famous in the guide producing industry. Trust me, this video is not sponsored at all. But you need to think in a very, logical way. We only have 2 months, like I said. Everyone is stressed about the UGC net. You need to know where to study within the shortest amount of time. So teaching and research aptitude is a field or an area or a discipline that you need to read a lot, you need to have a lot of experience. Being a master student, that is very impossible because we are only studying right now. So we need a book like this to make us understand what teaching and research aptitude is, or at least you know go through a lot of questions. For this, I would always suggest an Arihant guide, especially this one. It's very good. So with the short amount of time you have in mind, I think you should really get this book. And also, the teaching and research aptitude segment costs is 50 marks. So that's quite a lot. It can make or break your UGC net score. So that's why get this book. Prepare with a competitive spirit in mind. Trust me, it will help you. Now, all of these books will cost you a lot of money. Let's be real. This is the modern world. A lot of books might not be available for you because the last time I checked, a lot of books were not online and were not available on Amazon or Flipkart. And a lot of these books is beyond our reach. So what do you do at a point like this when you're not sure that you can prepare on your own within this 2 month time, or you might not be able to get your hands on these 5 books? Right now we have a very important and exciting solution for you guys. So, English Entrance Prep is starting a fresh batch for UGC NET JRF English Literature coaching program. Now, this is a 1 month course that starts on March 1st, and it's very affordable, guys. It's only 1,000 rupees for a 1 month course. Now, how do we go about this course? Like a GATE program, like a M English entrance program, this will also be a comprehensive approach. We will be sending you PPTs, PDFs, and audio notes. And the very, the best part of about this course, in my opinion, is that it is self-paced study. So you can study when you're free and when you feel like, because a lot of other coaching programs have a set time, say 5 o'clock in the evening. Physical locations, you have to go there and study. But what about when you're not free at that point of time? Trust me, it's 2 months. We all have other, stuff to do. Now, this is a course designed so that we will be posting content every day. You can study when you're free, when you're feeling like studying, so that your motivation is what is going to make you study. If you have a good motivation, you will be studying every single thing the moment we post it. Or if you're busy in some kind of way, you can wait for the evening or maybe even the night to study. But make sure you study every portion that we are going to send you. Now, how do we register? It's very easy. Like all of our courses, I have created Google Forms and I have posted it in the description box. So hit the description box, register in that. We will be sending you the payment procedure and the payment link to the email that you have used to register in that Google Forms. So make sure you give a contemporary, something that you use. So that's it, guys. If you want, you can register for this batch. No pressure at all. That's why I'm giving you both options. You can either go for a textbook based approach where you can buy the books and then study on your own. But then if you don't have time, or if you don't have the money, or you know how to go about with those with that approach, you can always register for our course. I mean, you can do both so that you get a very comprehensive approach. I mean, it's very easy, guys. So do register if you want. So we will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.